Garage door opener not working with your wall switch? That's super frustrating, but don't stress. There's usually a simple fix. First off, check if the wall switch is actually getting power. Sometimes the circuit breaker trips or a fuse blows, so make sure your breaker box is all good. Next, look at the wiring between the switch and the garage door opener. If those wires are loose or damaged, that could be why it's not responding. Try pressing the switch firmly to see if it's just a sticky button. Also, if your opener has a safety sensor near the floor by the door tracks, make sure nothing is blocking or misaligning those sensors. They can stop the door from moving. Sometimes, dust or cobwebs on the sensor lenses mess things up, so give them a clean with a soft cloth. Another thing to try is unplugging the garage door opener for about 30 seconds and plugging it back in to reset it. If you've got a remote, test if that works. If the remote works but the wall switch doesn't, you know it's probably the switch or wiring. If none of this helps, it might be time to call in a pro. One of the biggest issues people face when their garage door opener does not respond to the wall switch is faulty wiring. Loose connections or worn-out wires are super common and easy to overlook. Fixing this means turning off power first and then tightening or replacing wires as needed. Another problem is a broken or worn-out wall switch itself. Sometimes these just wear out from regular use and need swapping for a new one. Lastly, safety sensors can cause headaches if they get misaligned or dirty because they prevent the door from closing properly, so cleaning the lenses and realigning them carefully usually does the trick. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you get reliable help fast. At the same time, it gives contractors a great way to find work and grow their business without all the hassle of hunting for clients alone.